Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into something absolutely groundbreaking that's been making waves in the digital art world. Flux AI. If you're as obsessed with AI-generated art as I am, you're in for a treat. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly why Flux AI is the best AI image generator available today. So first things first, what on earth is Flux AI? Imagine a tool that takes your vision, your wildest ideas, and transforms them into reality with just a few keywords. Flux AI is an advanced AI image generator that can create stunning visuals based on text prompts. It's like having a personal artist at your fingertips 24/7. Sounds amazing, right? When you log into Flux AI, you're greeted with a sleek and intuitive interface. It's designed for everyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting. Just type in a prompt like a futuristic cityscape at sunset and watch the magic happen. Now let's talk about what really sets Flux AI apart from other image generators. The secret sauce? It's all in the intricate algorithms that combine deep learning techniques and a massive data set of art styles. This means it understands different art movements like surrealism, cubism, or even contemporary styles, and can seamlessly blend them to create unique masterpieces. Want a splash of Van Gogh's brushwork mixed with a dash of modern digital flair? Flux AI has got you covered. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Quality and customization. Flux AI doesn't just churn out any random image. The output is incredibly high resolution, often indistinguishable from artwork created by human artists. Plus, you can customize every aspect from color palettes to artistic styles. Look at this. I can tweak the brightness, play with the contrast, or even add a splash of whimsy by changing the overall vibe of my artwork. This level of control over the output? Absolutely game-changing for anyone in the creative field. Now, you might be wondering, what can you actually use these AI-generated images for? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a content creator, a social media manager, or just someone with a creative itch to scratch, Flux AI is a goldmine. You can create unique thumbnails, illustrations for blogs, or even just fun, shareable art for social media. Just check out how these visuals elevate the overall look. They grab attention and can significantly boost engagement on any platform. Another big plus is the community aspect behind Flux AI. They have an active user base where you can share your creations, get feedback, and even find inspiration. It's like being part of a global art collective without ever leaving your room. But here's the burning question. Is Flux AI worth your time and investment? I've spent hours creating and testing out this tool, and I can say with confidence, yes. It's not just an art generator, it's a creative partner that evolves with your vision. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these testimonials from users who've transformed their art game with Flux AI. It's hugely popular among artists, and I can see why. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking to elevate your creative projects and bring your ideas to life, Flux AI is the way to go. Give it a try and transform your artistic journey. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible content just like this. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.